guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can apply camera tracking to your videos on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select your video, and this is a pro feature. Let me just say that first. If you scroll down and select camera tracking, it's going to be there. You can track either the face, body, or the hand. I'm just going to do the face for today, and I'm going to press start, and it's going to... Okay. Apparently, there's no face in that bit, so let's try that again. And then I'm going to press start because it was like facing the back, so I had to delete the first few frames. But now, as you can see, it will track the face. You can fit it to canvas, lock object size, etc., but I'm just going to leave it like that, and that is the final product. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!